Welcome to your piano lesson. If you're here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link in the description below. If you like the content of my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm aiming to publish 2 weekly tutorials. Now let's dive into the lesson. Today it's time to add a new chord progression. It's the 7th chord progression of the series. If you have watched the previous videos, you should know that until now I've been using the chord on the first, at the beginning of each progression for 6 times. And now it's time to start from the 4th. Obviously, if you are not understanding what I mean, I invite you to watch the previous tutorials. I explained that by using 4 chords, the chords on the 1st, 4th, 5th and 6th, and by moving them around, you can generate 24 combinations. But anyways, I invite you to watch the previous tutorials. In this way you can understand what I mean. Now it's time indeed to start the new series of chord progressions, the 6 new chord progressions, having the 4th, chord on the 4th, at the beginning. And let's dive into the lesson. So as mentioned, until now I've used always the 1st at the beginning. Having the 1st at the beginning, I had twice the 4th here, and I've inverted the remaining 2. Twice the 5th, inverted the following 2. Twice the 6th, inverted the following 2. Today it's time to use at the beginning the 4th. So, the chord on the 4th at the start, that we will keep 6 times. And now immediately the 1st, and I want to follow the order of the chords, excluding the 4th, excluding this one. The remaining ones are 1st, 5th and 6th, and indeed this is exactly what I'm going to do. Let's try to hear how they sound. I suggest you to keep the thumb on the C on the left side of the middle C. In this way the 4 notes that we need are covered by the simple and stable hand position. So you have the 4th here, the 1st played by the thumb, so the 4th played by the 5th, the 1st played by the thumb, the 5th played by the 4th, and the 6th played by the 3rd. And let's see how it sounds, and let's try to apply anyways the same identical principle. The one of saving the notes that 2 chords have in common, and applying the contrary motion when 2 consecutive chords have nothing in common. And it happens indeed when the 2 chords are 1 second apart. I want to place the right hand here, and I do. 4th, then I go to the 1st. The 1st is C major in this case, because we are working in C major. The F and C have the C in common, I save the C, I move the other 2. Then, now I have to go to the G. The C and the G have the G in common, I save the G and I move the remaining 2. Now, G and A have nothing in common, and that's why I apply the contrary motion. Let's see how it sounds if I repeat again, not stopping. Not too bad. Let's move now to the 1st inversion. Let's move maybe everything 1 octave down. So, F, C, 5th. If you prefer 1 octave higher. Let's analyze maybe in this lower octave. So, moving from the 4th, I save the C and I move the remaining 2 notes. Now moving from the C to the G, I have to save the G because it's the note that they have in common, and I move the other 2. When I go to the 6th, G and A have nothing in common because G and A are 1 second apart. And this is what happened in the 2nd position of the chord progression, with the 1st chord, the chord on the F, starting in 1st inversion. Now we can start from the 2nd inversion. F in 2nd inversion, it would be. Let's analyze together. From F, I save the C, I move down the remaining 2. Then I save the G, I move down the remaining 2. And now nothing in common because G and A are 2 consecutive chords 1 second apart. And here it is how it sounds, how all of them sound if we play them not stopping. First inversion. 2nd inversion. I hope you are appreciating these tutorials, I hope you are understanding what I mean, what I do. Let me know if you are studying the chord progressions, applying my principles, my suggestions, my advices. This project obviously is quite long, because we are still at the 7th chord progression. out of the 24, but the 24 are simply generated by using these 4 chords. Let's remember that I have simply introduced the usage of the second, but never developed. In the same identical way, I'm developing the project using 1st, 4th, 5th and 6th. Also with the second you might generate 24. Obviously, many of them probably are not interesting at all for you, and you might be right. But then there is much more, the usage of the chord on the 3rd, on the 7th, and much more exciting and interesting things. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best.